systems and processes. The new Lloyd air conditioners manufacturing plants in Gehlot is a shining example of excellence and automation. This one-of-its-kind fully automated manufacturing facility in the country is spread over an area of 50 acres. The plant was benchmarked globally and is a best-in-class plant today in Asia Pacific. With outcome designed on parameters like 23 seconds cycle time, producing one AC unit in 23 seconds. Entire plant is designed on JIT. All material movements are either through AGVs or overhead conveyor in Wi-Fi and IoT-based environment. This pre-programmed, highly efficient and productive system makes the production cycle fully automated with 70 robotic points across the plant. With implementation of MES, a manufacturing execution system, all complex manufacturing systems and data flows on the factory floor is monitored and controlled by a central control system. This ensures effective execution of the manufacturing operations and improves production output throughout the production cycle. Entire machinery is compatible to Industry 4.0 standards and artificial intelligence. This upgrade will soon be replicated in all other units. With smart and efficient expansion in mind, Havell is investing a CAPEX of 700 crore rupees this year and about 500 crore rupees in the next year. We invite you to share the vision of intelligent factories, where machines and products depict a strong bonding. Raw material and machines are interconnected. The uniting objective being highly flexible, individualized and resource-friendly mass production. That is the vision for Havell's fourth industrial revolution. Imagine manufacturing